In my tanks, in my tanks. Kill the guards, kill the guards. Don't push. Ditch the barrier, just establish their tanks. Ditch the barrier, kill the guards, boys, kill the guards. Just focus guard, focus guard. Stop running or something, man. Kill the guards on the cliff, oh. East side, oh. West side also. Dito ang ready to stop, ha.
Inching up sila. Hindi.
Gimen,
Inching up.
Hindi. Heal, Andrea, please.
Hindi na full push pag nagpa-pop sila.
Engage.
Pahil.
Come north. Heal my front. Heal front. Come north and push. Demon sila, naka-demon na. Push west. Push to west lang. Push to west lang. Careful.
Wala nag-push.
Push west. Burn now west. Burn north. Center. Go center. Go center. That's the barret. Go center. Come center now. Defense front. Leave my front. Don't let us slide. Come east. Damage on top. Big lap on me. Oh, big lap. Come east. Come east and spread, bro. Southside. Stabilize kayo northeast. Nice one. West side looking. Defense front. Nice one. Come west. 10 seconds west. Keep burn now. West. Pick up west, boys. Pick up on west. Defense front. Patay tayo, bago. Defense front. East side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big lap. Patay nyo. East side. Wala na. Healers. Any heals? Healers.
Mana.
Keep run. Wala na. Hindi kaya.
Kaya pa.
Rigir kayo.
Ano to? Sabi na tumatakbo.
Rigir kayo. Balik kayo.
Magre-reset ako.
Balik tayo. Rigir.
Wala nang mana. Busy. Ba't pala nag-energizer?
Balik.
Kaya pala tayong chariot.
Pangit naman ang pasok nyo holy club. Pag namatay kayo, may. Hindi kayo dapat namamatay. Engage yun eh.
Unang mapamasok si Holy Flop siya yung in-engage.
Kaya nga eh.
Ay, catching ah.
Alis kayo. Rigir. Balik tayo. Paga pa. 6 minutes pa.
Basag na yun eh.
Alis na. Yung 8 tayo natin buhay. Patay kayo.
Boy ka, Kutox. Pag na. Si Yani yata patay. Boy ako. Boy ka? Okay.
Hindi si Yani.
Muntik na mamatay si Yani.
Ba't di kayo nakapush? Pwede kayo dumaan sa northeast eh. Guys, gamit naman utak guys.